So this is the EcoFlow Delta 3 2000 Air. I think a lot of us are going to this direction dahil may rotational brownout, tumataas ang mga kuryente, di ba nagpa-solar na nga kami. Sa mga nanonood ng videos ko, yes, yung solar kasi namin, hindi siya hybrid. So, dependent pa rin kami sa Meralco. Wala kasing battery. To cut the long story short, kailangan namin ito. So, naisip nga nung wife ko na bumili ng EcoFlow kasi for backup purposes, walang kuryente, she can still work kasi work from home siya. And kailangan ng medyo malakas yung capacity. Ito yung napili namin. So maraming models. Kanina, winayin ko siya sa weighing scale. It was around 43 pounds something. And it is the whole box na. Kasi tinest na namin siya yesterday sa MOA. Everything was working na pero hindi ko pa siya na-charge na fully charge. Lalagay ko na lang yung exact price dito but I think this was around 53,000 plus. Depende sa credit card ng gagamitin nyo, mabibigay nila either 3, 6, I think hanggang 12 months. Make sure nyo na lang double check nyo sa mismong EcoFlow na store. Meron sa MOA. Also, I think isa pang distributor ng mga EcoFlow is Altitude. So you can go there. Plus, meron din EcoFlow official dito sa Shopee. So, maganda sa Shopee kasi may Shopee Pay Later. You can use that as well. Plus, yung vouchers. Baka nga mas makamura ka pa. So, I'm not sure. Shop around. Ang galing ng box nila. Oh. So, check it out from here. Daily Essentials. Like a fridge, a TV, a phone, and a fan. Tapos yung corresponding watts nila, nasa 7.2 hours ang kaya nito. Okay, so for a small home office, essentials, phone, laptop, headphones, fan, Wi-Fi router, and desk lamp, nasa 9.7 hours. Pretty much more or less, ito yung habol namin eh. Small business support, and they also have the disaster preparedness. So we have 1,920 watt-hour capacity, tapos 1,000 watts rated output, supports devices up to 1,500 with X Boost. So yung battery niya is the Life PO4 battery. 10-year ang lifespan ng battery. Built-in voltage stabilization protects appliances from power fluctuations. Ito nga yung nakakatakot, di ba? Pag nagpa-fluctuate ang kuryente natin, which always happens here in the Philippines. Pag nangyayari yan, malaking chances na sisira aircon and yung mga PC. Uninterruptible power supply. Switches to battery in 10 milliseconds. Guys, napakabilis nito. 10 milliseconds, nag-switch na siya. So, hindi talaga mag-off ang PC mo. You can still save your work or you can still finish your games. Multiple charging options. Papakita natin yan later. And smart control via EcoFlow app. Wala pa akong EcoFlow app. Gagawin natin yan. Actually, matagal na namin tinitingnan tong EcoFlow. But, syempre, it was hard to pull the trigger kasi medyo, syempre, hindi siya mura. First of all, di siya mura. Buti na lang may mga payment options. Solid. Okay, yung built niya, para siyang yung mini speakers, mini boombox. Napakalaking space ang masisave nito. I think we have to hold it a bit. Ayun. Once na umilaw siya, start na. It says 32%, tapos 19 hours. So, dito lalabas ang input sa taas, dito naman lalabas ang output sa baba. So, there's 2 USB Type A here, and there's 2 USB-C. Ito nga yung power button niya, tapos low, normal, and high. So, I think you can actually control this via app. We have 2 main plugs here. Tapos yun nga, yung AC on and off. If you hold this, hold natin after ilang seconds, mag-iiba yung power output niya. So sa taas, makikita nyo, 50 Hz. So yung 50 Hz na yun yung ginagamit sa mga 110. Tayo ang ginagamit natin is 60 Hz. So 220. So, hold ko lang siya uli. After ilang seconds, magiging 60 Hz. Yan, 60 Hz. Kailangan talaga 60 para safe tayo. Ang maganda dito kasi every time you turn it on, kung saan na siya nakaset, yun na yun. So, yan. That's 60, right? So, dalawang plug. This is for the solar panels. So, we can actually buy those portable solar panels. On paper capacity, I think 1,000 watts. Tag pa 500. So, just take note, hindi dapat lumagpas yung isa sa 500. So, 500, 500. This is yung charging. Gave us 2 options. Dalawang cable. So, para may backup. This is the main. So, makikita nyo, tatlo yung plug niya. This is the one with the ground. And meron silang backup, the one na walang ground. But the problem with this, ang sabi sa akin, ingatan lang to, wag masira kasi this is, hindi to basta-basta na re-replace and you cannot order this by itself for some reason. Sana ayusin ng EcoFlow yan. Before I forget, dito pala pumapasok ang air. Dito lumalabas yung hot air. Hindi to pwedeng ilagay sa against the wall. Very useful na hawakan dito. The legs, yan, may 4 na rubber here. Charge time, 2:08 PM, nasa 32%. It does make a sound. So may konting ingay siya pero minimal naman, di naman sobra. So you can see nasa 1,000. Power input, ibig sabihin yan yung kuryenteng papasok sa EcoFlow natin. 3:48 p.m. So nasa mga 1 hour and 40 minutes from 32%. So 70% charge. So sabihin na natin ma-full charge siguro to from, like mababang charge or like zero charge. Nasa mga 2 hours lang, fully charged na siya. Isa pang kagandahan dito, sabi sa amin, is that never siya mag-overcharge. Parang magandang safety feature yon para lalong mag-last yung batteries. Okay, nakasaksak na siya. Makikita nyo, ang liit lang ng space na kinakain niya dito sa baba. So parang dumadaan lang kasi yung kuryente sa kanya eh. Ang galing, hindi siya nag-overcharge. Right now, it's charging sa PC, nakakabit. And yung keyboard, nakakabit din. So, yung speakers, like I said, nakakabit din. Ang hindi nakakabit is the 2 monitors. Pinipress lang to para lumabas yung... So, nasa 120 na. Kanina, nasa 60. And right now, nasa 140 watts. But this is not a very intense game eh. Hindi siya masyado demanding na game yung Valorant actually. The other games will for sure demand more power. Tatanggalin ko yung saksakan habang naglalaro ng games. I-simulate natin na nawalan ng kuryente. Blackout. Ayun na. Ito yung saksakan. And nasa in-game pa rin ako. Grabe ang bilis. And wala akong narinig. Hindi katulad sa UPS, may parang nakiklik-click. Nakalagay dito yung estimate hours niya. Kanina nasa 10, ngayon nasa 8. I'm kind of surprised na ganun ang reading niya, 8 to 10 hours for Valorant. This is gaming. This is legit gaming. Tatapusin ko lang tong isang game and then we'll see kung ilang percent na lang siya after this game. If you're streaming, yan ang number one source of income mo, then you really need one. And siguro, if you're streaming for a very long number of hours, syempre, mas kailangan mo yung mas malaking capacity. But this is pretty good. Ito talaga yung habol namin, like, for office lang. So, tapos na yung game. After one game of Valorant, 95%. So, na-download ko na yung EcoFlow na app sa Play Store. Tapos, sabi na sa akin is create an account. So, nandito na ako sa create an account. And it says here, add a device or system. Requires Bluetooth. Okay, next. Allow. And one device found. Nakita niya na kaagad. So, I'll just click this. Agree to the privacy. May ilaw na. Automatically save and fill passwords. Yes. So it says here, select space type. Home. May yacht pa. May mga iba't ibang style pa ng home. So view lang. Anong magandang itsura dito? I guess itong mas maganda. Mas modern ang dating. Name the space. Tapos na, niname ko yung space. Tapos nilagay ko done. Next. Allow. Just allow. Okay. After pala select country, click mo lang yung check. So yan. Real time, guys. Makikita mo yung output, 72 watts. Titingnan ko yung mismong yes, nasa 72 watts nga siya. 93% yung battery, check ko dito sa EcoFlow, yes, 93%. May pa dito, power, syempre hindi ko gagawin yan, mamamatay yung PC. So if I'm gonna do 100%, change ko lang yan, 100% AC charging speed. Okay? So pwede mong palitan kung gaano kalakas yung charging speed. Nice. 1,000 watts, naka-full siya. Pag nilagay mo siya sa quiet charging, nasa 200 watts nga lang yung charging speed niya. X-Boost, ito yung mga ref, aircon, hair dryers, drills, mga ganyan. Connect only one appliance when using X-Boost. Actually, naka-on na yung X-Boost as a default. So, kahit isaksak ko yung aircon ngayon dyan, it will work. Charge and discharge limits. Kunyari, kung gusto nyo, 80% lang siya mag-full charge, pwede. I-move nyo lang to. Nakalagay nga, ang recommended is 80%. Setting the charge and discharge limits can help maintain battery health. Yun nga lang yung maganda dito pag isi-set mo. Firmware update. Yan, importante to. May bago ng version. So, i-update ko na kagad. Oh my God, nagkamali ako. Kasi nung in-update ko, nag-off siya. Nag-off tuloy yung PC. Ano ba yan? Masisira yung PC ko habang nasa game. Buti na lang, I'm not in game. So guys, ayan may natutunan tayong bago. I can change the style. Ano bang mas maganda? Dalawa lang naman to. Power off your EcoFlow from here. Tapos you can also unbind. Before ko siya i-on, sasaksak ko muna. Ngayon, on natin. Calculating, 75%. Okay, so nandito na ako sa app. 75%. I think pwede natin on yung AC from here. Pero yung main power, hindi. Just like that, nag-click. On na natin, guys. Okay, nasa 20 siya. 1.5 horsepower Panasonic inverter. Okay, nilagay ko sa 20. So, ang lakas pala talaga ng aircon. So, actually, di ko na kailangan tumingin dito. Dito na lang tayo. Makikita na natin. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, lumalamig na. So, I can show you here. 670 watts. Ayan, 670 watts. Dito nababasa. Grabe, tumataas pa, oh. Kasi yan, lumalamig eh. So, naka-on ang X-Boost natin to 1,500 watts. So, hindi ako kinakabahan. Nasa half pa lang tayo. So, more or less 2 hours gagana yung aircon. Ang lakas pala talaga ng aircon, guys. Kasi ito, yan, oh. 827 watts. Yung ibang EcoFlow kasi pwedeng ipagsama-sama eh via cable, kabit-kabit. So meaning para ka nagdadagdag ng another battery, and then another battery. And then meron siyang parang nagplateau na hanggang saan lang kaya. But napaka-useful nun. Siyempre, pag gusto mo mag-upgrade, bili ka lang ng same model tapos kabit mo, dumoble na yung power mo. Okay? The thing with this is, you can't do that. Yun lang yung limitations niya. For our use case scenario, I think this is really good. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for now para dito sa EcoFlow. So parang introductory and some testing. And syempre, nakikita nyo, nagkakamali din ako because this is the first time. So yan lang muna. So if you are interested, please click the link here.